Visual Studio. Today we're going to be reviewing the Wyze Watch. Yes, the Wyze Watch that was supposed to be out in April. I got it in late March. I'm special. Now, I'm assuming this is the Wyze Watch. This could be a package from my Jelly of the Month club, but let's find out, shall we? Safety first. Let's take a look. Why, yes, it is the Wyze Watch. Packaging, just like it was on the Wyze Band, which I have here, and I have been using. Yeah, it looks about the same. Okay, well, let's open it up. Like I mentioned on the Wyze Band, it's plain, it's simple, but it works. No frills. It definitely does not feel expensive, or is it? Okay. Comes out nicely. You saw I did that right. Just, yep, right on out there. Make this look all pretty again for you, my subscribers and viewers. There you go. So you can feast your eyes on that. Well, first impressions. Yeah, it looks like a rectangular watch type device. Let's pull it out and take a look at it, shall we? Hope this isn't one of those intelligent tests and see how fast it takes me to pull it out. I'd fail. Okay. Interesting packaging. Run into a little bit of a rough patch, as you can tell. Hope this doesn't affect my IQ test. Okay, we're gonna have to yank. Yeah, they had it in there pretty good. That's fine, but you like the packaging to look clean after you pulled it out, and no, they failed there. Oh, initial impressions. Well, it's got your typical silicone band. Another rectangular watch that looks like a small phone. I'm sorry, Apple users. Your watches are so ugly and stupid. Why? Why did they make Johnny Ives a knight? Why did the Queen do that for? There's nothing fantastic about its design. It's a shaved down bar of soap. Wow. Okay. Okay, let's take a look. Well, if you remember in my Wyze Band review, of course it has a little protective doodad over the face. Of course, are there buttons? Yes, I pushed a button. I may have to go to glass mode here. I'm getting nothing. Last time I said that it needed to be charged. It didn't. It just needs to turn on by having power connected to it. So let's give that a try. I wonder if it might be the... No, it's not the same connector. That would have been cool if the Wyze Band and the Wyze Watch had the same connector. They don't. Which the Wyze Band's power connector I still don't like. I'm an old crotchy man, so... Yes, I'm doing this whole review without glasses so far. It's amazing. I'm just fumbling my way through and guessing a lot. Well, it's kind of... Pretty sure this... Ah, there, that felt positive. And there it goes. Wyze. It's saying 66% charge. Okay, that's enough to play with it. Oh, I gotta scan a barcode. And yes, I remembered my phone this time. I already have the Wyze app, so I'm sure in the instructions it says something like, just go into your Wyze app and look for the device. Oh, come on, seriously. There we go. It's thinking about it. It did scan it. Well, it's just the getting started and... okay. Wyze app setup guide. Yeah. Don't believe in user manuals or startup guides. Oh, I gotta go in the Wyze app, which I have installed. Because One thing I found out that on the Wyze app, that the Wyze band links into my Wyze scale. So now I have two devices telling me that I'm fat. Who doesn't want that? Okay, let's add a rule. No, let's add a device. Yeah, let's go for a device. Let's see here. Lifestyle. I think that's it. Oh, I guessed right again. And yes, we do have the Wyze Watch 47 here. I can't tell, like big and chunky watches that the tech industry seems to absolutely hate and loathe. I guess all of them have dainty little wrists that can't handle a bigger watch. They need a little more feminine, small size watches. Allow. Oh. Okay, got it now. So I'm supposed to scan the code in here. I wonder why it didn't work in another place too. Oh. It's pairing. Oh, they're buddies now. Wow. It does have that interesting graphical face that you did see in the ads for a split second there. Yeah, there it is. It's bright. It's vibrant. Yeah. I mean, it's a smoky kind of a gray bezel, single button, quick release silicone band. Yeah, no, I think this one's going to be a hit. Let's see here. I am left-handed. Last time I checked. Just kidding. I'm right-handed. Swipe down. Oh, here I'll read these out loud for you because I'm sure you'll be just dying to know. Swipe left to see your app. Swipe right to see data. Swipe down to see notifications. Swipe up to see shortcuts. Swipe right to back. Long press to restart or shut down. Long press the screen to select face. Okay, we can do that. Enjoy your Wyze watch. Well, thank you. I most certainly will. Oh, and of course, there's an update. First thing you do. Who started that? When did that happen? In the 90s? 2000? It used to be, oh my gosh, what a... Now everybody does it. Are we there yet? 6 minutes remaining. Oh, that'll be fun. Well, it's saying 6 minutes remaining, so I'll be back in 6 minutes. Okay, is it done? Nope. Firmware now is downloading. Really, who was the guy that thought this would be a good idea? Ooh, fancy schmancy now in the app. Let's see here. We got 3 clock faces to choose from. Yeah. You go from whatever that is that we're looking at, very 70s-ish. That's 70s. To a very... Ooh, then there's a subset. Okay, so you go from 70s. Ooh, then you get the very nice and classical looking hands with a second hand. Very classy looking. Yeah. Of course, we're going to have to change that. Actually, here, the only problem I have with it is the same problem I have with the band is there's not a always on clock face. I have my Android watch, which Android wears terrible, and it always has a clock face on the face. It's awesome. It's just kind of a dim, but you can still see it. No time this without turning it on. Wyze does not look like that. It does have raised awake, which is already on. Running in the background. No. The setup and the features looks just like the Wyze band. It's basically a big activity tracker. That's probably okay with a nice watch face. I like it. The weight feels good on it. It doesn't feel cheap. You know, of course the band does, but silicone bands always feel a little cheap. Yeah, I'm good with it. So far it's working. If you've used the band, you're pretty much getting the same information. It's just a little bit more information. That's pretty cool. Yeah, initial thoughts. Packaging is minimalist, but there's nothing wrong with that. I'd rather have them spend the money in the device or make it cheaper. And the device itself, it's not going to set the world on fire in looks, but it does look nice. The button feels good on it. Nice little shortcut there. Doesn't look like anybody else's device I know of. And it does come with a quick release band, so you know they're not great, but yeah, it's kind of cool. That's very thoughtful of them. So yeah, initial impressions are the packaging and the device I like. It looks pretty good. So this has been a review of the Wyze Watch. Please subscribe, share, and like. And until next time.
Left engine.